know, the battery must be dead, so. On that camera, so she's out trying to get more batteries. She didn't get her GoPro. I guess she must not even found it. But I'm trying to get adjustments and all on this camera every way I can. We can hear the volume plus see what's going on ahead of us. So I know how to set this camera up. Well, now she's gonna bring out our high dollar camera to do some videoing on it, and that's not a good idea, but yes dear, if she screws it up, I guess we'll have to get another one. But now she's got to pick out which song she wants to race to.
What?
I said you trying to pick out a song to race to.
Which songs?
To
playlist.
To which one to outrun you with. I done showed them I can catch you anytime I want to.
Hey, you remember, this thing's got 16 years on it.
Well, this thing here still outrun it. And it ain't broke in.
What?
I said this guy, you might have 16 years, but this one here ain't even broke in yet, so.
This one ain't either. Hey, what did they say? 2001, 2003 is the best ones built?
Well, we'll have to find out.
Hey, YouTube, our subscribers even will vouch for that.
Well.
Hey, yours always has a flat tire, not mine.
Well, tires can be fixed. Yeah. So there she's finally coming along, poking up the road. Let's take some.
Yeah, what?
Let's take some pictures with them together and.
My tank quit working.
Well.
We're sitting out in the weather.
Well, I guess.
It should light up. There it goes.
Well, pull yours around front there, and we'll.
Let's wait till the sun gets closer down.
Well. All right.
It's cloudy right now.
Well, let's go inside and test these. See what this here does.
I can't find the other GoPro.
Well, alright. Well.
Before the road, that tank was going to be pissed off. Allie, you get back up there right now. She wants to ride.
She's wet.
Alright? Alright? Come on, sugar.
Yeah, there's Miss Spoiled Butt. That's how she loves to ride on these ATVs.
Got it? Got it?
likes to, she'll sit out here and ride all day long if you're a rider. As you can tell, she's the kid we never had, so, well, we did have a kid and lost her, but so Alice is kind of became our kid, so she'll sit out here and ride all day long if you let her. So we just ride her, we'll take and ride her around, all around here, and she'll sit right there. And I tried to make a little box to go on the back of my four-wheeler here, but she don't like to ride on the back. She wants to be up front where she can see what's going on and everything like that. So hello, Alice. And there's her toys out here. She'll get them little stuffed bears, and she won't tear them up. She just get out here and ride around, run around the yard with them and slinging them like she catches a squirrel or something. But all right, here's what we was trying to show you the other day, and I think we was a little too far away from it. But we had a friend of ours, a friend and subscriber of ours, made us a banner to go across the back of my pickup truck window, kind of as a surprise, since we don't actually have a banner or anything yet. And so, but he made us one. He stamped us out one for at least to go on the back of the truck. And as you can see on the other side, we got a sticker for Paul Zott, HD broadcaster. I mean, he's gotten into his loving his golf cart so much now that he's got it redone. So we just sorry about the grass, because this is tall, but we ain't had chance. It's been raining every day, so we hadn't got a chance to cut the grass lately. And so for right now, I'm going in the house and load this film up, see if you can understand what I'm saying, or whether I need to make some adjustments on this thing. All right, goodbye.